What's up? So a lot of you guys have told me that selling is one of the most difficult things that you face in your pressure washing business, which absolutely makes sense because you're selling something that is relatively intangible. It's not like when you're going to go buy a car and you can go out and test drive it and know exactly what you're going to get. So the question is, how do you sell the intangible, the invisible service? Well, you need to have the knowledge of your service, the benefits you provide, and the confidence of how to communicate all of that. I want to show you a quick video to see what I'm talking about. I was out checking on my guys as they were finishing up a huge gutter cleaning job at an apartment complex. I saw this beautiful Corvette that was being detailed, and I walked over to the guy to ask him what the cost was, and he really just blew me away. He didn't talk price initially. He just went through his process and the benefits. Of course, I was looking at the end result, but most of the time, we're just getting phone calls or email requests, right? So obviously those calls are getting generated and are a direct result of our marketing efforts, your online presence and customer acquisition systems, as well as the follow-ups. And if you're interested in learning more about that, check out the first link in the description below to learn more about the Next Level course. And that covers all of that and a ton more. But the bottom line is selling services means selling yourself, your team's expertise, and the value your company brings to the table. It's a tricky prospect, but check out Miguel from 𝗵𝗵𝗴's Fine Auto Detailing to see exactly what I'm talking about.
All right, man. So, you know, like I told the folks, I came over and I was asking you about how much this costs because this thing looks absolutely stunning. And tell me what you told me about your different packages and kind of what you do and the process that you go through.
We do fine automotive detailing. We do waxes, sealants, and coatings. This vehicle today is getting a 1-year coating, which the 1-year coating package comes with a wash, a clay bar, a paint decontamination, and then it gets coating prepped and then it gets coated. So with the coating, you get UV protection, you get hydrophobic properties, you add slickness, you add gloss to it, and it locks it in for a year. I also offer a 5-year coating and an 8-year coating. The coating goes on the glass, on the paint, on plastics, on rims, protect from bird poop, acid from the bugs that get slammed on your car. Waxes and sealants are dead. Coatings are the brand new thing. They're a little pricey, but they're worth it in the long run.
So you were telling me you've got a 1-year, you've got a 5-year, and then you've got an 8-year. And you were saying that the 8-year is actually your most popular next to the 1-year?
Yes.
And so that's really cost driven. As you go up in price and you go up in the quality of the protection, the lifespan of that particular product just continually increase.
Yeah. 1-year coating is a graphene ceramic spray made by Adams. This is a 1-year coating. This is the 8-year coating, Underdog Pro. The 5-year coating is Underdog Light. So this will cover up to a F-150, windows, rims, paint, and plastic. A lot of people think about just going to the car wash, running it through the car wash, and it's clean. But what those car washes do, those things go a certain mile per hour. They never clean them, dirty. They have sand, they have mud, and they create swirl marks. And you end up needing a new paint job by the end of the car's life cycle, which shouldn't happen. These coatings have been known to last 10 years, depending on the maintenance of the person that has them, you know.
Now, do most of your customers call you back to do the cleanings?
Yes, they call me back to get a maintenance wash. So let's say this guy, he got a $350 1-year coating package. What it'll cost me to come back it's probably like $80 to do a maintenance wash. This includes exterior, interiors, rims, tires, dressing on all plastics.
And because you've already done all this amazing work, it's super easy.
Yeah, it's super easy to clean. I'm coating a Corvette today. That doesn't mean that only nice cars, upscale cars get coatings. All kinds of cars get coatings. You have a 2020 Camry, get it coated. You have a Jeep Wrangler, get it coated. We also do paint corrections to get your vehicle looking brand new. It just adds a shine, a gloss that a wax and a sealant will not do.
So how long have you been in business?
I've been in business for about 7 months now.
Oh, congratulations.
I come from a background of welding and fabrication. I wanted to start my own business and I fell into detailing, fell in love with it, fell in love with the customer service and just getting people's rides back to
well, I tell you, this looks amazing. And what was really amazing and impressive to me was when I came over and just started talking with you, and the level of detail that you were able to tell me about the products, about the process. I mean, that's sales 101, man. You knocked it out of the park. I love that you're just starting out. It looks like you've got the setup's great. You're out here doing some beautiful cars. You're doing an outstanding job. I love to see entrepreneurs out here killing it, man. So thank you for
appreciate your time.
Man. And this is 𝗵𝗵𝗴's
Fine Auto Detailing, 912-250-9707. Feel free to call, text. We'll come out, inspect your vehicle, and give you a quote.
Absolutely. We appreciate it, man. Thank you
very much.
Bye.
All right.